Hello everyone. Let's start today's lecture. So, basically, what we are trying to learn today is about um, let's have introduction to Express.js. So, many of you might be knowing, or you might also not know what is Express. So, let's go to the official documentations of Express.js. You can go to Chrome and search for Express.js docs, and you can go to the official website of Express.js, and here you can go to Get Started, and from here you can read the docs. Okay. So, if you don't know what Express is, so Express is basically is a web framework that is it's basically a Node.js web application framework that provides a robust set of features for web and mobile applications. Uh, it helps in various counts of setting the backend routes, increasing the performance, provides us various kinds of middleware, helps in handling data from backend and fetching data from the backend through various APIs. So it's a framework that does all this, it manages all this kind of stuff. So we'll try to explore all these things one by step. So let's start with the getting started part and go to the installation. So you can read all the docs here. You can read from the docs and do all those things. You can here see the official documentations. I am not going through docs because I already know what to do and what not to. So I'll start from showing writing the code first. So we'll go to our Visual Studio Code and create a folder for Express and open the integrated terminal. Okay, so after opening integrated terminal, firstly, it's a backend application, so we are working with Node.js. So basically, we need to build a Node.js application. For that, we need to write a command method that is npm init dash dash y. This will create our package.json file. You can see that a package.json file is created inside the Express folder. It's a entry point of the Node.js application of every Node.js application. I guess you guys know all this about. So basically, here we'll create a new folder, new file. That's the index.js where we'll write all the Express code, and we'll start one by one. Firstly, you are working on Express, so we need to install Express at first in our application. So we'll be writing the Express npm command that is npm install Express, and you will be seeing that Express is being installed inside our Express folder. My network is so open. So it's downloaded. You can go check in a package.json file and you can see that in the dependencies section, Express is installed at version and the version is fourth version. So I guess okay. So let me do the basic setup at first. For the scripts file, we'll be writing start here, and for running that index.js file, we'll be writing the script node index.js. So we have done all these things. Let's now go in the index.js file and let's start our application. So before let's write our first hello world application on Express.js. So we'll be writing the first hello world application in Express.js. For that, you need to install Express as first. Install Express const Express equal to the require. I guess you know the require function in JavaScript in Node.js. That's for using installing or like it's like import function in React. So require. I guess you guys all know all this basic stuff. So I'm not going to the depth of all this. So the const Express in require will be installing Express at first. So Express is here installed. And then what we need to do is, since we are building an Express application, we need to invoke Express at first. We will be writing const app equal to Express, and we are calling the Express function here. uh, we are calling this express function from here to here. If we are writing express 2, you have to write here express 2 only. So you can know this. So we are first, what we did at first is we required express and then we are calling it an application. And since we are building a server here, we will need to mention a particular port for this. So what we do to is const, we are define a particular port. See, like we are defining it we are defining the application to run in port 3000. So, okay. So our port is defined at 3000. We are building the application and we are also requiring export. So now let's uh, build a server at first. Okay. So for building a server, you can go to, all right, let's write a first hello world application in Express.js. So you can coming in the get settings section and come to hello world. You can see this is a in the documentation section you will go and see this is the code for writing a hello world application in Express. So I am writing the code and explaining it. You can read it from the documentations also. So in Express.js, we are calling, as you already mentioned that here, what we are trying to do is this is building the express function. Yeah, if you hover on the express, you will see here it is written on it. It is first importing express, then it is creating an express application. So we have already created an express application, and the name of the application is app. You can this name. So we have named it at app, and now we every time we call this app function. So for that reason, we need to call app dot get. This get is a function in expresses which is required for building a server app.get, and then the route and particular route we should. If I want to build a home route, so we will be writing dash slash, and we need to pass a callback here, and that callback will be rest and request. So we have built rest and request. We are saying that rest and sorry, my bad, extremely bad. First we have to write request and then rest. Request means the request the user is giving from the front end side, and the rest is a response that the user will get from the back end side. So we are passing here a callback at the home section, at the home route, and we are passing two parameters in as a callback, that is request and response. And let's see what we are doing here. We are writing the callback, and inside this callback we are writing um, rest.send hello world. Or like not hello world, I'm writing hello, I am from the home page. Okay, so let's go. Hello, I am from the home page. Okay, cool. Now, after writing, we have created first, we have now created a server on our home page. We have also passed the request and response parameters as fallback. We have also written what will be shown in our home page, that is rest of same. This thing will be written in our home page on the home route. And now, what we need to do, we have listen this server at a particular port. For that reason, we need to again call that app function and then listen it at particular server. That I'm listening at which port, that is I given here it port 1000, so port, and here again we have to pass a callback, callback. In callback we are writing that console.log, console.log. I guess you know backtick. I guess you guys know what is backtick in JavaScript. So this is all about the JavaScript basic, because Node.js is basically running on JavaScript engine. So port is running on okay, sorry, my bad. Not port is running on. It's the server which is running. Server is running on a particular port, and that port is dollar sign. I guess you know why I'm using this. This is a particular syntax of writing JavaScript application. So we have built, we have written the code. We can check it from the docs also. This is how it's written it. And now let's run. Let's see, we are having an error. Let's npm start, and yeah, it is showing that server is running at a particular server is running at on 3000. Now let's go to our home section, and let's see what's running at localhost 3000. So localhost 3000, and here you see that it is running. I am from the home page. So we have successfully built our first Hello World application in Express.js. Hope you liked the video, and if you have any comments, or if you have any doubt, mention in the comment section. I will try to clear them, and I will also try to provide the code in in a particular repository. Give me some time for that. Okay. So I guess you like the video. Subscribe to my channel, and till then keep learning, keep coding, and keep leveling up.